Today we're going to be customizing this little bustier. I ordered this online and I never have worn it because whenever I try it on I feel like I could look better. And it has this really cute little detailing peak right there, so it kind of like flatters the curve of your hips and cinches your waist. And I love black and white, so I was gonna sell it, and then I woke up today feeling creative and I was like, wait, because I wore a lace-up bustier on Sunday. And now we're gonna put in these little eyelets with a hammer. You don't actually need an actual tool, which is awesome. So we're just gonna cut down here, fold it over, glue it down, and then I probably should sew it, but I might just put the eyelets in and use them to hold the hem. We'll see. So let's get started. I'm excited. Let's get chopping. Chop, 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 chop. Cutting through the 2 layers of fabric with the glue with this little hole puncher. It doesn't seem like it would do much, but it actually made enough of a cut to force the long grommet through, or sorry, the long eyelet. So you want the long eyelets, the smooth parts, you want that on the outside. And then it's shorter, compadre, which is hard to do with these talons. Kind of just like fits on top, and then there's this little flap, and then you just hammer it. Right side down. Gently hammer into place. Uh-oh, it's going crooked. Just kind of smooshes it. And we have our first eyelet. I did the bottom one first in case I messed it up. It said to do it on a scrap fabric, but I'm lazy. So it doesn't look like we're gonna need to sew this because it kind of seals that flap. Like obviously the glue will wash away when we wash the article of clothing. I might do a little tack at the top just so this weird edge doesn't show, but I'm just gonna continue on and do the rest on both sides. Be careful not to dent the table you're working on. Okay, so all the eyelets are now in. There is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 on each side, 20 eyelets. The first side I did was amazing. It is completely holding down the folded over fabric, so I don't have to do any stitching. These ones are a bit offset because of the cup, but it won't show once it's laced up. This side, I definitely was distracted and it's like a little bit wonky, but it won't show. I'm gonna tack down these bits with some black thread and needle. So before I do that though, I'm going to lace it up. It made it even cuter. I've done some reflecting and I wish the eyelets were white, and I wanna put white ribbon in too. All right, so I put some ribbon in it that I found. I'm at my parents' house and my mom has an art room with tons of craft supplies, luckily. I laced it through using pliers to help me, and I am in love. I might add some cups if I can't fit a bra under it, but we'll see. And then I'll show you it with an outfit. So fun. You could do this to almost any top. You could even do this to like a big t-shirt top. But I think these little kind of bustier styles are the best.
I love style. If you want to dress like a farmer who just picked your own raspberries that you grew, you do you, girl. If you want to look like you just came out of a metal concert and you don't like sitting in the daylight, I am totally at peace with that. I just want you to express yourself, and I really appreciate